Welcome back to the Spanish Playhouse. Today we're going to learn about the different clothing names in Spanish. Ready? Let's go! First we have la camiseta. Camiseta means t-shirt in Spanish. It's perfect for a casual day out. Next we have los pantalones. Pants. They keep us comfortable and stylish. Now let's explore el vestido, the dress. It's perfect for special occasions or just feeling fancy. Moving on, we have la chaqueta, the jacket. It keeps us warm and cozy when it's chilly outside. And don't forget los zapatos, which means shoes. They take us on exciting adventures. Lastly, we have el sombrero, the hat. It's a great accessory to protect us from the sun. Now you know some clothing names in Spanish. I have a special activity I want to do with you. Would you like to join me while I make my own Spanish Playhouse mouse? If you'd like to make one at home, you could buy one in the Spanish Playhouse website. In the kit, you will find a little mouse, some clothing, and stuffing. Make sure to stuff him really well. Okay, I just finished stuffing it. So make sure to take out this part right here and just rip it off. Then you're gonna close him up like this. And then you got your own ratón. This mouse needs some ropa, clothes. They could wear a camisa with pantalones or a vestido. Do you know how to say button in Spanish? Botón. Ya terminé. I finished. Well,